Open Eclipse, click on Windows then Preferences. Look out for Server and then click on Runtime Environment to set it up. Mine was created already, so ignore it. We will create a new one. Look out for Apache, click on it and choose version that you have downloaded. Browse the location, you have to choose folder which has been directory. Click Finish. Select the folder and click Finish. The runtime environment has been set. Now we will start the server. Choose your version of server, it will automatically state the runtime environment. Click Next. Currently there are no projects, so click Finish. The server is ready. You can either start it by right-clicking and choosing Start, or like I am making a HTML file to check whether the server is working fine or not. Just name the project and let it be with the default settings and click Finish. Make an HTML file in Web App folder by the name index.html. Alright then, you simply create any HTML project. I have added just a heading. Save the file and then do right-click and select Run, then run with live server, and all done. Congratulations, we did set up and have created our first project using server.